Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. Today's recipe is for lamb rib chops. These are really fun to make on the grill because what you end up with are miniature, delicious meat lollipops. Come and check this one out. Let's grill up some lamb rib chops. For today's recipe, I have portioned out each rib individually. They're pretty small, about 100 grams a piece. Very frequently, you'll find them sold as a whole rack. This rack can be roasted whole. However, if you like to directly grill them, take a sharpened knife and cut out each individual rib like I did today. A butcher can do this for you as well if you don't want to. Prep is really easy. Start with some olive oil and drizzle a little bit on the first surface of your rib chops. Then, as usual, with your clean hands, spread that evenly throughout the surface of your meat. Once completed, as usual, we'll season with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, both to taste. That's all you really need, but if you want to take this up a notch, add some herbes de Provence. I'm using a blend from Le Master Family Kitchen, which is a local shop here in Chicago. And once I've sprinkled my herbs onto my rib chops, I'll just go ahead and pat that in, turn these over, and repeat the process on the other side. Pretty simple and straightforward, right? Right. Now that both sides have been oiled and seasoned, we are ready to head on out to our grill. Today, I'll be grilling up my lamb rib chops on my Weber Q1200. It has been preheating for the past 10 to 15 minutes at a high heat. And you're gonna go ahead and lay your lamb rib chops directly on top of the grill grates. Now, as you can see, I'm laying more than just the 5 rib chops that I prepared inside. I bought a full pound today, and 1 pound of lamb rib chops for me today yielded 9 individual ribs. Anyways, once they're all on board, give them a light press so they are all in contact with the grill grates. Then shut the lid and let these cook on that first side. After 3 minutes of grilling at a high heat, it's time to turn over each individual lamb rib chop. And as always, you can see great sear marks from the Weber Q. As I continue to flip my lamb rib chops, I'll also take the time to rearrange some of them on the grill. My particular baby Q has a few hot and cool spots, so rearranging them just helps let them all cook evenly. But check these out. Don't these look like they are coming along nicely? Anyways, once you have turned all your lamb rib chops and rearranged them on the grill, if you need to, shut the lid and let this cook finish. After about 6 to 7 minutes of direct grilling time, depending on your level of doneness that you're shooting for, you can go ahead and pull these off of the grill. As I said, these are pretty small lamb rib chops, about 100 grams each, so they cook pretty fast. At 6 minutes, I'm expecting about a medium rare. So let's head inside and see how we did. So I've got a few of my rib chops laid out. Let's go ahead and cut into this one on the camera's right. And if we take a peek inside, yep, you will see it is pink throughout. So a perfect medium rare. And you know what? Why don't I lift this rib up and show you that reverse angle? See, check it out. Great sear on the exterior and pink throughout. Now the rib chop on the left is a little bit smaller, so it will probably be a little bit more well done. And yeah, this is probably about a medium. It still looks plenty juicy and plenty delicious. And you know what? This smells too delicious to let it just sit here, so I'm going to go ahead and steal a piece right now. That was a great bite, but I bet this medium rare one will be even better. So there you go, my friends. That is how you can grill up lamb rib chops directly on a Weber Q or any other gas grill. Give this a try and let me know how it goes for you. I'm sure you'll find it just as delicious as I did, and as delicious as Huey finds it today. Thank you very much as always for watching. Thanks again, and I will see you all again next week.